Hello friends, welcome to this CapCut video editing tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create trending shorts and videos by blending photos with videos using CapCut, a technique that has become recently very popular. Whether you're editing for YouTube, social media, creative projects, or just for fun, this simple method will help your content look more professional and eye-catching. Let's get started with the tutorial, step by step. To create this type of project, you'll need a photo and a video. You can also use multiple images or videos if you prefer. Import your desired video and photo. Add your video to the timeline. Next, add the photo to the timeline just above the video. Adjust the duration of the image to match the video's duration. Now, select the photo in the timeline. Go to Remove BG and use the Auto Removal option to remove the background. Reduce the scale value of the image and position it properly within the video frame. Then go to Mask and select the Rectangle Mask option. Adjust the size and position of the mask. Increase the feather value of the mask up to 100%, or experiment with different values to achieve the best result. As the video moves, you may need to adjust the position of the image. If I zoom in, you'll better understand why adjusting the position is necessary. At the starting point, add keyframes to the image's position and rotation. Make sure to add keyframes to the image position, not the mask position. Move forward in the video and adjust the position and rotation values as needed. Keyframes will be automatically added whenever you change the position. Once everything is adjusted, preview your project to ensure smooth transitions and proper positioning. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.